Back with the brand new Danita 2000 multi. Going to now do the receive. As I said on the transmit section of this video, there aren't really any adjustments. All the inductors are preset. I presume that one is something to do with AM. So that's the only one that is the only adjustment for us on receive out of the inductors, and that's the detector. So we'll put this signal generator up to full. This is where I would normally switch the other camera in so you can see what we're doing. Unfortunately, the camera has decided to pack up, so you have to take my word for it that that's a big signal, and I'm going to now adjust that one, which is L104, for maximum audio on receive. That was absolutely fine. There's a squelch preset, so we're just going to check that the squelch is set right. What I'm now going to do is set the squelch to full on the radio, which I have done, and it can still be, I can still make the signal generator open that, so that's correct. The squelch preset, if it wasn't correct, going back to my notes here, is RV2. Incidentally, RV201 for people in countries where AM is legal, that is AM modulation level. So we've done the detector, we've checked the squelch, now we'll just check the sensitivity. So I'm going to turn the squelch down. This isn't one of those sets with auto squelch. Well, that's 0.3 of a microvolt, 0.2 of a microvolt, 0.1 of a microvolt, 0.05 of a microvolt, and I can still hear it. And that's as far as our attenuator goes. That's, once again, it's phenomenal receive performance. The only thing I can really add now is that it has a DX local button. Now that is the signal generator at 0.3 of a microvolt that you can hear in the background, and if I press the DX local switch, I'd now need to bring the signal generator up to 3 microvolts. So it's actually attenuated that by 10 decibels on receive. So that could be a useful feature if you're in very close proximity. Pressing the button again reverts that to the normal mode. It does indicate on the front panels the green LED which says LO for local when that attenuator is switched on. So that's all there is to it. There aren't any adjustments apart from those I have just outlined. So our next thing is to put it back together, and we'll do an on-the-air test before we pop it back to the customer.